Thank y'all for stopping back by to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy potato and egg recipe. Here in this skillet I have cooked chopped up potatoes. It's about 2 potatoes and a half of an onion and a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And I cooked that for about 20 minutes on medium-high heat. You might want to check your oven. Cooking times might be a little bit different. You might want to do it on medium heat depending on how hot your oven gets. So this is at the point where it's done and I'm ready to add a little bit of garlic, which I've put like 2 cloves of garlic. That might seem like a lot for some people, but I really love garlic. I have a 1/4 of a teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon of salt, and like a pinch of cayenne pepper. And the cayenne pepper is optional. I just think it adds a lot of really great flavor. So we're just gonna mix that in, and I let this cook for about a minute just to like get the garlic cooked in and let that get flavor. You don't want the garlic to burn, so I don't put it in with the potatoes in the beginning because that would burn the garlic and then it becomes bitter. So give that a stir. That's probably good enough. It's almost been a minute. So here I have just some scrambled eggs. I haven't added anything to it except scrambled eggs. So we're gonna pour that in. I think there are 5 scrambled eggs in there. If you need to stretch your scrambled eggs out because you have a lot of people that you need to feed, you can, and if you're short on eggs, you can dilute it a little bit with milk. And that's still gonna stretch your eggs, and it's not going to dilute the flavor or anything like that. So at this point, I let the eggs do their thing. They're cooking, and the potatoes, I just wanted to point out that you'll know that the potatoes are done if you can smash one with your spatula, and then it's done. It should be a little bit soft. I cook mine to, as you can tell, I've overcooked some of them because they're a smaller size. A lot of people will cook these and they'll cook the chunks cut the chunks the same size. I do mine a little bit different. I have round slices and some little small slices that look like French fries. Really whatever. And so after it cooks a little bit, I stir mine around. I just want the eggs to cook evenly and all of the potatoes to be covered. And I do like to eat this on corn or flour tortillas in the morning. Excuse me. And I think the pepper got to me. You can add things to it. If you like sour cream, you can add some sour cream in it. You can go all out and add all kinds of different things to it. You can add pico de gallo or really whatever you want. We just really love this by itself with a tortilla. It's very good. And I got a little one coming in, so you might hear him in the background. So that's basically it. I'm going to cook this just a little bit longer and then get my tortillas out. I usually pop those in the oven for about 6 minutes or 3 minutes on one side and flip them to 3 minutes on the other side at about 350. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please like, subscribe, comment on my video. I appreciate y'all. Come back another time.